Okay, we're on problem number 3. And what I want to do is just, we're at the point where, maybe you're wondering who I am. Whoops, sorry about that. My name is Ron Bannon. I did it again. My name is Ron Bannon, and my email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. All right, what am I going to do now? I'm going to do the problem, number 3. So, kind of reading the problem, it says the second digit of a number of 2 figures. So let me just point out, if there's a 2-digit number, it looks like this. This is called the first digit, and this is called the second digit. Now, I hope you realize the first digit's in the tens place, the second digit's in the unit place. So let's take a look at that. And I'm going to say, I don't know what the first digit is, but they talk about the second digit. So I'm going to say the first digit is, I'm going to call it X. Now, I hope you realize if it's a 2-digit number, X could be 1, 2, 3, it could be up to 9, right? And then what does it say? The second digit, I'll write this over here. I'm going to call that Y. So this is going to be X, this is going to be Y. And the number, if I thought about the number, what's the number? The number would be 10X plus Y. Let's keep reading that. The second digit of a number of 2 figures exceeds the first by 5. So what do I know about Y? I know Y, right? It says over here, the second digit of the number of 2 figures exceeds the first by 5. I got that? All right? And again, we're just kind of reading through, slowly, carefully, see if we can do it. It says, and if the number increased by 1. Well, if the number's increased by 1, what would the number be? 10X plus Y increased by 1. Then I say if it's divided by the sum of the digits increased by 2. Well, what's the sum of the digits? X plus Y, but it's increased by 2. The quotient is 3. I got that covered. So what I want to do now is talk about, what I have and what I have to do, all right? So, I kind of know what the number is. The number is 10X plus Y. The first digit I called X. The second digit I called Y. The second digit really is just simply X plus 5, though. They told me about that. And the first digit's X, the second digit is Y. So what am I going to do now? I got to solve the equation. And someone said, how are you going to do that? Well, what I would do is I would take this and pop it in here. Before I do that, though, I want to simplify this thing by multiplying both sides by the LCD. A lot of people call this cross multiplication. Regardless, you'll get this as a result. And I'm still going to simplify, and you would get 7X minus 2Y equals 5. But again, I'm still going to take this and plug it in over here. What does it give you? 7X minus 2 times X plus 5. That's what Y is, or at least that's what we believe Y is. And I want to see if I can solve that equation. And what do you get over here? 7X minus 2X minus 10 equals 5. You're going to get 5X equals 15. X equals 3. By the way, I'm no longer thinking about what the question is. I'm thinking about what X and Y is. And what's Y? Y would be equal to, well, let's see. It would be 3 plus 5 is 8. So what's their question? What's the number? So what's the number going to be? Remember, the number is this over here. So what's it going to be? 38. End of story. Thank you.